Somehow we made a full week without any fails. Octember fail number 2. We got a smoke alarm. Not one, but I believe 2. If it will activate. Now, thankfully, this is 8:26 a.m., so it's at a good time. There's one. I'm not sure which alarm it is. There's one down there somewhere. But it's either going to be this one here, that one there. It's this one. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. God damn. The fuck? I'll just leave that there. It looks like some plastic broke off of it. I'll use the toilet first. I'm going to guess the other alarm is its sister alarm that was installed in April. So we'll see if it is. That would be this one over here. And I believe I am correct. I just have to get something to stand up on so I can get up to the alarm. We'll see if this jar is enough. Now, the capacitor still needs a discharge in it, so it's probably going to chirp a bit more. If it will, I don't know. Well, maybe it is dead. I'm going to come back on with the film a bit later when I actually feel like messing around with these.